Over the course of the last 100 plus years, cars have been on the roads and have quickly become the most common mode of long-distance transportation. Henry Ford's Model T was among the first gasoline-powered vehicles to be of widespread availability for consumers. Its release in 1908 was arguably the impetus for other vehicles of its nature. The increase of demand for gasoline-powered vehicles led to a remarkable surge in oil extracted from the earth. Not only is the process of extracting oil harmful to the earth, the use and burning of oil is also harmful. Today there are about 3 billion gasoline-powered vehicles on the roads, and the CO2 emissions from these vehicles are causing pollution and climate change on a global scale. As the effects of this pollution are more researched, there also has been a significant increase in public concern surrounding these vehicles. Because of this increased concern, the integration of electric vehicles has become the next step for nations around the world. Electric vehicles have been proven to emit significantly less emissions overall when compared to their gasoline counterparts. According to the EPA, electric vehicles are better for the environment in almost every given scenario, regardless of what type of energy is being used to charge the vehicles. The EPA includes charts and diagrams on their website which represent the emissions used to charge electric vehicles in different regions of the USA. Dr. Spratt, an environmental science professor at the University of Tennessee, Chattanooga, explains that when it comes to electric vehicles, the batteries themselves are an important subject matter.
They've shifted from the old heavy lead acid batteries. And Elon Musk deserves a lot of credit for pushing the lithium ion liquid electrolyte type battery. And that's what all the Teslas are today and so on. But the lithium ion poses its own problems because lithium is limiting and we don't have that much of it. We don't have enough readily available to make all the cars we need to make shift to this electric society in the future. You know, by 2050, the Biden administration has proposed, with some help through the monies that are go out and support research and development and the establishment of charging stations and so on. He wants to see something like 70% of all the new cars sold at that point to be battery electric vehicles. Okay, and that...
This information about lithium-ion batteries exemplifies there are still a few possible issues that need to be addressed and taken into account during the integration process. However, overall, experts and scientists agree that electric vehicles will give way to a more sustainable future.
Wow. You know, by making light, strong, efficient vehicles, we can use much less gas. But let's go further and change the propulsion systems to electric, which, you know, wouldn't it be great not to have to take your car in to have oil changed?
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you're still going to have to worry about your brakes and your tires and those kind of systems, but you don't have to change oil. Then they're almost maintenance free. Those vehicles, you know,
That's
you
true.
just have to treat the batteries the right way. You know?
There are lots of benefits to the transition of electric vehicles, not just for consumers, but also the earth. When integrated with the environment in mind, using clean energy, electric vehicles could be the key to a sustainable future.